55 left turn this intersection, taxi straight ahead on Bravo, minus the ground plan. Have a good day.
Texaco, infield 1-1, request rejoin.
Infield 1-1, Texaco, proceed to pre-contact at 3000.
Ready, pre-contact.
Cleared contact. Contact. You're taking fuel. Infield, passing waypoint 2 at 3000. Disconnect. Return pre-contact.
And so you can call in Canada.
That was Cherokee 81869. We're over Long Beach, 500 feet, heading to Texas.
And the Cherokee calling level 81919.
81869.
New Tower, Uniform Heavy, establish runway 31 right.
Cherokee 81869, squawk 0320 on IJAC.
0320, IJAC.
On a Ponce Heavy Canada Tower 12508, runway 3 on right, clear to land.
Runway 3 on right, clear to land, Uniform Heavy.
Service 1050 left turn this inspection, taxi left on Alpha Sierra and monitor ground plan.
Alpha 1
AC 5711, runway 31 left, line up point.
Line up away 31 left, AC 5711.
You're taking fuel. Disconnect.
Cherokee
Return pre-contact.
81869, I figure request.
Contact. You're taking fuel. Infield, passing waypoint 2 at 3000. Disconnect. Return pre-contact.
Before Romeo, let's do contact and we'll flight.
Contact.
full Romeo.
You're taking fuel.
442 heavy, wind 2607, runway 31 left, let's take off.
Let's take off, rank on that one.